the night, where the shadows come alive. There's a bond that's unbroken, where the feline spirits thrive. From rooftops to the corners, where the secrets softly purr. We roam this world together, me and my catted brother. Every step, every leap, in the moon's soft glow. Through the mysteries of the night, side by side we go. In the silence of the dark, with the stars above, we found our home together in this world of love. Catted brother, through the night we roam. In the heart of the city, we found our home. With every whisper, every silent meow, we'll face the world together, here and now. In the warmth of the sun, or the chill of the rain, through the laughter and the struggles, through the joy and the pain. With a flick of the tail and a glance that understands, we navigate this life with gentle loving hands. Every step, every leap, in the moon's soft glow. Through the mysteries of the night, side by side we go. In the silence of the dark, with the stars above, we found our home together in this world of love. Catted brother, through the night we roam. In the heart of the city, we found our home. With every whisper, every silent meow, we'll face the world together, here and now. When the world feels heavy and the nights grow long, in the comfort of your presence, I know where I belong. With the grace of your steps and the light in your eyes, we'll conquer every mountain and reach for the sky. Journey and the paths we share. In the company of my brother, I have found my care. Catted brother, in this life will be a timeless bond of love for all eternity. Oh, here and now. So here's to the journey and the paths we share. In the company of my brother, I have found my care.